You've got $30,000 and your eyes on a sedan, but with 2025 dropping new models left and right, choosing the right one feels like scrolling Tinder with trust issues. Before we crown the best 12 sedans worth your money this year, let's talk about the ones that should never make it to your driveway. Some of these are so disappointing, they make a 2002 minivan look like a solid investment. Number 9. Kia Forte. Budget-friendly? Sure, it starts at $21,000, but it's like buying a cheap pair of shoes. They look fine until you actually walk in them. The cabin? Feels like it's made of leftover IKEA parts. The ride? Think of a wooden chair, stiff, no cushion, and forgettable. The base engine moves like it's towing a fridge. Tech? It's like they grabbed your grandpa's old flip phone and called it modern. Safety scores? Let's just say you're better off wearing bubble wrap. It's the car version of someone who remembers your name but forgets your birthday. Reliable but missing the spark. Now, while the K4 offers value with its design and features, criticisms about engine performance are valid. However, the interior and ride comfort are generally well received, contrary to the claim. So not awful, but don't expect fireworks unless you light them yourself. Number 8. Volkswagen Jetta. Jetta started out with so much potential, but now it's like the awkward teen of sedans, just trying to figure out who it wants to be when it grows up. Starting at $21,000, some trims drive decently, but others? It's like steering a loaf of bread, soft, bland, and with zero personality. VW spent all their energy making the outside look sharp, then took a nap designing the rest. That said, the Jetta does provide a comfortable and efficient driving experience with updated interior features. The claim about outdated tech and poor interior quality isn't really backed by current reviews, so while it's not thrilling, it's not a total snooze either. Think of it like decaf coffee. It works, but don't expect a buzz. Stick around, there's something way spicier up next. Number 7. Volkswagen Arteon. It struts in like James Bond at a red carpet event, tuxedo, charm, and a whole lot of swagger, but then it tries to dance and trips over its own feet. Starting at a spicy $43,000, you'd expect fireworks. Instead, you get a lukewarm sparkler. Sure, it looks like it belongs in a spy movie, but the infotainment system feels like it was designed by someone who just discovered the internet. The ride? Not thrilling enough to match the price tag. And don't even get me started on resale value. It drops faster than your phone when you're holding soup. It's the automotive equivalent of ordering lobster and getting fish sticks. Fancy on the outside, fussy on the inside, and leaves you wondering where all that money went. Stylish? Yep. Worth it? Debatable. Number 6. Nissan Altima. Yes, the Altima. A car that's as exciting as a PowerPoint presentation on tax codes. Starting at around $27,500, it gives you space and comfort, and then gently rocks you to sleep with its droning CVT. Driving it feels like blending a bag of marbles on low power, loud, repetitive, and oddly lifeless. The steering, as communicative as your cat during bath time. Inside, the materials feel like they were chosen during a clearance sale at May & Company. It's practical, yes, but so is plain oatmeal. If oatmeal could hum monotonously every time you hit the gas. Want spice, excitement, or something remotely zesty? Keep walking, friend. The Altima is the beige wallpaper of the sedan world. Inoffensive, safe, and entirely forgettable. Number 5. Nissan Sentra. The automotive equivalent of lukewarm tea. Starting around $21,700, the Sentra really wants to impress. It shows up to the party wearing its best shirt, but forgets to iron it. The engine? Sounds like a leaf blower stuck in second gear. The CVT hums like a tired ceiling fan at grandma's house. But hey, the interior is actually considered a strong point in reviews. Surprisingly comfy and decent quality. And tech-wise, not too shabby. It comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a responsive touchscreen. Still, driving it feels like dating someone nice, but painfully boring. It'll get you from point A to B, but so will a tricycle. For a few bucks more, you could fall in love. For real. Number 4. Chevrolet Malibu. Starting around $26,195 and bringing big, forgot I still existed energy. It's that one uncle who still uses LOL, unironically, and thinks cargo shorts are peak fashion. The engine? wheezes like it just finished a marathon. The CVT drones on like someone reading you a phone book. And that interior? Straight out of 2015, complete with the same energy as a waiting room magazine rack. It's not offensively bad, just so mind-numbingly average it hurts. Sure, it makes a decent rental car because you'll happily give it back. Malibu's not driving into the future, it's reverse parking into the past. So buckle up, because this dunk's coming in hot, and it's gonna leave a 200 horsepower dent in your expectations. Number 3. Fiat 500e. Starting at around $22,000 and showing up like a stylish Instagram influencer. Cute, photogenic, and utterly exhausting in real life. Yes, it's adorable. Yes, it zips around town like a wind-up toy. But that 149-mile range? Yikes. That's not a road trip. It's a grocery run with anxiety. And let's talk reliability. It breaks down like it's auditioning for a soap opera. You won't be driving this car as much as you'll be charging and fixing it. It's electric, yes, but so is a blender. And you wouldn't commute in one of those, would you? Fun for a weekend fling, maybe. But don't swipe right on this as your daily. It's not a car. It's a diva on wheels. Number 2, Chevrolet Spark. Honestly, it should have stayed in 2015 with flip phones and fidget spinners. It's been discontinued, but you'll still find it haunting dealership lots like a used VHS tape. Power? Barely. Safety? Let's just say it's more hope and prayer than cutting-edge tech. Started with $14,000, and driving it feels like asking your toaster to enter a Formula One race. Bless its tiny engine. It's trying and failing. The interior? A time capsule from the early 2000s. It's cheap, slow, and about as modern as a dial-up modem. Fun fact, if disappointment were a car, it'd come in Spark trim. Great for nostalgia, not so much for getting anywhere in style or on time. Number 1, Mitsubishi Mirage G4. Just started with $16,000 and worth every penny of maybe half that. This thing is so bare bones, you half expect to push it with your feet like Fred Flintstone. It's slow enough to be passed by shopping carts, loud enough to double as a leaf blower, and built with the structural integrity of a soda can in a windstorm. Want excitement? Not here. This car delivers the raw thrill of watching paint dry on a cloudy day. The interior feels like it was designed during a coffee break, and the ride comfort? Imagine bouncing down the road on a trampoline made of regret. Honestly, the only miracle here is that it's still being sold. Whew, that was rough. But don't panic, car lovers, we're flipping the switch. From now on, it's only uphill. Our top 12 best sedans under $30,000 are smooth, smart, and totally worth your test drive. And yes, a certain eco-legend with a glow-up is coming. Number 12, Subaru Legacy. Say hello to the Legacy, with $25,000 and basically built like a golden retriever in car form. Loyal, dependable, and always ready for an adventure. Got snow, rain, a surprise trip to the in-laws? No sweat. Standard all-wheel drive means this baby handles it all like a mountain goat in hiking boots. It's not flashy, it won't flex on the gram, but it's the sedan equivalent of cargo pants. Practical, tough, and full of hidden talents. Inside, it's roomy enough for your friends and their emotional baggage. It won't turn heads, but it will turn every pothole into a soft whisper. Boring? Maybe. Useful? Absolutely. The Legacy's the kind of car that brings snacks, fixes your Wi-Fi, and still shows up early. Number 11, Toyota Corolla. Meet the Corolla, aka the Chuck Norris of compact sedans. Starting at just $22,000, this thing is a legend in the won't-let-you-down department. It's not flashy, not fast, but it will outlive your phone, your blender, and possibly even your will to upgrade. It's got safety features out the wazoo, sips gas like it's got manners, and asks for almost nothing in return. Just occasional oil and a little respect. It's the car version of that friend who always shows up on time and never forgets your birthday. Simple? Absolutely. Boring? Maybe. But dependable? Like gravity. And hey, if you're into no-fuss, budget-friendly rides that quietly run forever, just wait till you meet its even thriftier little sibling next. Number 10, Nissan Versa. The dollar store superhero of sedans. Starting at just $16,000, This little champ is basically a coupon on wheels. It's not here to impress your neighbors or win any races, but it will get you from A to B without emptying your wallet or your soul. Fuel economy, stellar. Features, basic, but like charmingly basic. It's the kind of car that says, I'm responsible with my money and my life choices. Flashy? No. Fun? Maybe on a downhill. But practical? Oh, absolutely. It's like your reliable uncle who wears socks with sandals, quietly smart, slightly uncool, and always gets the job done. If Financially Chill had a mascot, the Versa would be it. Number 9. Kia K4. The new kid on the block that's making waves without making your bank account cry. Priced around $23,000, it's like the perfect mix of style and practicality. Kind of like a latte with just the right amount of foam. You get a sleek design that says, I have my life together, paired with tech features that'll make you feel like you're driving a spaceship. Plus, the ride is comfy, like sinking into your favorite chair after a long day. It's the sedan that's got the looks without the I'm overpriced attitude. Think of it as the friend who's stylish, smart, and knows how to have a good time without going overboard. Number 8. Hyundai Sonata. It is like the comfy pair of sneakers that also look good enough to wear to a dinner party. It's got that smooth, quiet ride that makes you feel like you're gliding on clouds with $25,000, but without the, I'm going to need to remortgage my house vibe. The interior is classy. Think of it as the kind of chic that doesn't scream for attention, but definitely gets it. Plus, with modern tech and killer safety features, it's like having a personal bodyguard on the road. Want a ride that's stylish, efficient, and not going to bankrupt you? The Sonata's got your back. And if you want something with a little more spice, stick around for the next one. Number 7. Hyundai Elantra. It is like the overachiever of the compact sedan world. It's got looks that could stop traffic. Sleek, sharp, and sporty, with $25,000 but still won't make your bank account cry. Plus, with features that scream, I'm advanced. Seriously, this thing's got tech that makes your phone look jealous. It's the kind of car that makes you feel like you're driving something futuristic. And don't get me started on the Elantra N, the sporty version that adds just enough zing to your commute to make you feel like a race car driver, on a budget. It's practical, efficient, and most importantly, it doesn't suck the fun out of driving. If you want both excitement and savings, Elantra's your ride. Number 6. Toyota Prius Hybrid. This is the eco-warrior's dream car. It's like the superhero of the hybrid world, saving the planet while making your wallet smile with up to 58 mpg, which started with $26,000. Sleek design? Check. Great gas mileage? Double check. The Prius is practically the cool kid at the sustainability party, strutting its stuff without even trying. It's perfect for anyone who wants to look stylish while silently sipping on that sweet, sweet fuel efficiency. Sure, it's not the fastest thing on the road, but who needs speed when you're already ahead of the game in saving money and the environment? And let's face it, if you're eco-conscious, this car feels like a badge of honor. Looking for something a little more flashy though? Keep reading, my friend. Number 5. Mazda 3. It's like that friend who shows up to the party in a designer suit, without the sticker shock. Start with $22,000. It has a swanky interior, handles like a dream, and makes you feel like you've got a sports car under the hood, even though you're still in sedan territory. It's the affordable luxury that doesn't scream, I'm on a budget, but instead whispers, I know exactly what I'm doing. The Mazda 3 lets you roll up to work or date night feeling stylish and sporty, without draining your bank account. It's got the charm of a luxury car without the, I need to sell a kidney price tag. So, if you're into looking cool, driving smooth, and keeping your finances intact, this car's calling your name. Ready to turn heads without turning your wallet upside down? This is your ride. Number 4. Kia K5. Starts at around $25,000, is like the cool kid in school who doesn't have to try hard to impress. With turbocharged power, it zips around like it's got somewhere important to be, like probably saving the world or something. It's stylish enough to make heads turn and has enough tech to make you feel like you're driving a spaceship. It's got athletic performance, but you won't need to sell your kidney to afford it. Imagine a car that's fun to drive, sharp in design, and doesn't make you cringe at the price tag. It's like getting the thrill of a luxury car without the bill that makes you want to cry. So, if you want to look stylish, feel powerful, and still have money left for tacos, the K5 is your go-to. Dive into the final top 3 and it will smash your thoughts. Number 3. Honda Civic. The Civic, which around $25,000, is like the Swiss Army knife of cars. It does everything, and it does it well. Sleek design? Check. Advanced tech? You bet. Hybrid options that'll make your wallet sing with joy? Absolutely. It's the car that blends efficiency with fun like a smoothie of awesomeness. The Civic is the reliable, fuel-sipping hero that doesn't just get you from point A to point B. It makes the journey feel like a breeze. Want something stylish, practical, and won't eat up your bank account? You found your ride. All the perks, none of the stress. Number 2. Toyota Camry. It is basically the mom car of sedans. Dependable, practical, and always there when you need it. It's got a smooth ride, a spacious interior that'll make your kids argue over who gets more legroom, and a hybrid efficiency that'll make your gas station visits awkwardly short. It's the car that keeps on going, like a trusty old blender. Never exciting, but always getting the job done. Want comfort, longevity, and the feeling that you've made a super responsible adult decision with $26,000? The Camry's got you covered. No drama, just results. Number 1. Honda Accord. Here is the superhero of midsize sedans. No cape, but still saving the day. It's got a spacious, quiet cabin that makes you feel like you're cruising in a luxury lounge, minus the champagne, unless you bring your own, with only $27,000. The performance? Smooth like butter on toast. And the fuel economy? It's so good you'll almost feel guilty filling it up. Reliability? Check. Comfort? Double check. Technology? Oh, you bet. The Accord is basically the sedan equivalent of doing it all without breaking a sweat, or your bank account. So, which one would you take home? Drop it in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, because next time we're diving into the wild world of affordable SUVs that secretly rule the road. Until then, happy cruising.